Okay, now we're going to go ahead and reattach the base to that stretcher across the bottom of the bed. So I'm going to have my helper just hold this bed face open, at about, it's about a 45 degree. And here's those studs. I've removed those wing nuts. And the studs will go closer to the floor. And what I'm going to do is slip right in here, slip those studs through the slots in that front stretcher. Now with the base in place, I'm just going to reach over the top and retighten these wing nuts down. I really can't see them, but I can feel them. And I'm just going to go ahead and tighten those down. They go on pretty easily. I'll go ahead and do all three of them across here. And that base will be reattached so that it takes up that gap below the bed face. All right. Okay, I've got all those back in place, and that base is installed.